And ta-da! All of a sudden I feel transported into a pool environment. Oh my gosh, what am I doing? Hi! Welcome to my channel, Mrs. Sippy. I talk about lifestyle and motherhood, and today I pretend to be a YouTube baker. So I love to bake for my nieces and nephews' birthdays. I always bake them a special cake, and today I'm going to make a birthday cake for my nephew who is turning 11 years old. I don't know where the time passed, and he requested a pool party birthday cake themed. Okay, last year I did a Thor's hammer, which was so cool, but I'm excited for this pool party extravaganza cake. So first I'm going to mix all the wet ingredients. We've got egg whites, I have 1 cup of oil, and I have 2.5 cups of water. Then I'm going to mix it up. I'm going to add my dry ingredients from my packet. And I'm going to add my second packet because I want to make 2 boxes today. Uh-oh. The baby woke up. I'll have to resume this. 'Tis the life of a mother.
2 hours later.
I'm back. Okay, baby is back to sleep. So now let's put this batter in circle pans. So I put the cake batter in 3 9-inch circle pans, and I lined them with parchment paper so that's easy to pull out the cake after I put it in the oven. So I have the oven preheated at 350 degrees. I'm going to put it in for about 35 minutes. Yay, my cake is ready and cooled. Now it is time to take it out of the pans and level them off. So now I leveled all my cake. Time to make the buttercream. Yeah. So to make the buttercream, you want 2 sticks of butter and 4.5 cups of powdered sugar, 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract, and 4 to 5 tablespoons of whole milk. Then get your whisk attachment and mix it all up. Now that we made our buttercream and we got our 3 stacks of cake, let's pile them on together with a layer of buttercream. So now that we're done with that, I'm going to crumb coat this cake. And I have to make a little more icing because the first batch that I made was not nearly big enough to crumb coat this whole thing. So I'm going to make a second batch of buttercream. Okay, so now that I crumb coated and put a layer of buttercream around the whole cake, I'm going to cut inside of the cake to make a hole for where people would swim for the pool. So you know how in above ground pools there are posts that support the whole pool? So that's what I'm going to use for the Tic Tacs, these support beams. Put it all around. Ta-da! Okay, so now it's kind of looking more like a pool. And I bought this from Michael's. They also sell it at Jewel. It's just like a silver spray paint for cakes. So much easier than working with fondant. I hate using fondant. So this is just easy. You just spray it on. It's kind of like spray paint. And I'm going to go ham on this. Okay, now to make the water for inside my pool, I'm going to make some JELLO. Then I'm going to put it in my pool. So to make JELLO, you get 1.5 cups of boiling water. Then you dissolve the gelatin in the boiling water. Once it's all dissolved, then I add my 2.5 cups of cold water. So then I mix it all up, take the ice out, and put it in the freezer for 1 hour. So now I got my JELLO, and I am going to put it in the little pool. Make it the water. So I'm going to put foil in the middle here so that the JELLO doesn't seep through the cake. And now I'm going to put my JELLO water in the pool. Oh my gosh, that is seriously so cool. So next I got some cool goodies. I got some Airheads, Sour Patch Kids, and Lifesaver gummies. And those are going to be like our people in the pool floaties. So, okay, now the finishing touch is to make this look less like janky. I'm going to put grass around the above ground pool with a little green icing that I made. And ta-da! All of a sudden I feel transported into a pool environment. Oh my gosh, what am I doing? Okay, wow. These goggles are way too tight and getting foggy. Now I have goggle face. Alright, well, this is the finished product. I hope you like it. It was super easy to do. I was able to do it with a crying baby. And it's so fun for a kid's birthday party. I know they're just gonna wanna dig into the Jell-O, dig into the candy, dig into the Kit Kat, and of course the buttercream is to die for. Scoop a little bit of grass, put it in your mouth. I just can't wait for my nephew to see it for his 11th birthday. Thank you for joining me today in making this fun cake. Know that you are not alone in this world and that you are loved. God bless you and take care. Let's see how my husband reacts when I give him the scraps. Mike.
Yes.
It's all for you.
Oh, I'm on video.